cracking Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rishi S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. In today's 2-minute tutorial, 2-minute tutorial. These retainers annoy me. And now this is a move that every beginner wants to learn as soon as they pick up their rope, is how to just max out on double unders to get to 20, 30, 40, 50. I'm gonna take you through the beginner errors. I'm gonna take you through a drill which has helped me throughout the last few years to make sure that I can smash doubles whenever I want and just put them into combinations and transitions. It is 1:48 a.m. right now. We had to get this done. Got Joey behind the camera. Gonna get 2 minutes on the clock right now, guys. Remember, if you don't know what rope we use on this channel, you've been living in a cave somewhere. This is the most in-demand speed rope on the planet. This is the Rush Athletic Speed Rope, also known as the money rope. Go check it out online. Should be somewhere down there. Use YouTube 10 for your 10% discount. Right, what we're gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna show you what the beginners do, what the major errors are. I'm gonna take you through this killer drill, which has helped me, right? Most beginners, when they get into double unders, they wanna go at a million miles an hour, which is normal, right? You feel like you need to get the rope underneath you twice. A typical beginner will be just straight in. And then straight away they trip after 3 or 4 doubles, 5 doubles, whatever it is. I wanna get you guys to remember the way you're gonna execute this is with timing and balance, right? What I want you to try and learn to do is try and control your speed. Now, I've talked about it in previous tutorials, but the drill you wanna do, guys, is I want you to do 10 fast and 10 slow, 10 fast, 10 slow, okay? So this is what you're gonna do. When you go into your doubles, okay, I want you to be balanced, engage your core, stay in the same place. What I mean by going slow, I want you to really jump nice and high, stay light on your feet, really controlled with your revolutions, okay? You wanna make sure you're getting a good jump, you're not flexing the knees, you're not coming down heavy on your heels. It's a nice, balanced jump. Imagine if you play football, you're going for a header, whatever it is, right? But you're gonna try and get a bit of height, get a bit of hang time. That's your slow jumps. Once you've done 10 of those, I want you to then pick the speed up, but I want you to lower the jumps and increase your wrist speed. Now that's important. Beginners tend to go with their arms, really engaging those rotator cuffs, forearms, wrists. They're putting too much inefficient energy into it. Watch my wrists, nice and slow. Just full wrist, a little bit of forearm. That's slow. Then pick up the speed for 10. And then back to slow. Nice and controlled, guys. Pick the speed up. Remember to breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. It's all about staying controlled. With your wrist, I want you to feel like you're pushing the rope forward and down. Have your thumbs down the handle of the jump rope. And that's your motion here. It's not like this. Elbows back, and you're coming back to this. Joe, if you swing around to the side angle, just gonna quickly show that one more time. Controlled, 1, 5, and then quick. And by doing this drill, guys, you can come out of your combinations nice and smooth, controlled, and build your unbroken double unders like that. 10 fast, 10 slow. Before you know it, you'll be up to 100, 150. You'll be going for minutes, no problem. So hopefully, the 2 minutes, probably gone, to be fair. I never make these 2-minute tutorial Tuesdays. But hopefully you found that useful, guys. Do give this video a thumbs up. Remember, all your support is much appreciated. It allows me to do this every single day for a living, and I appreciate you all for everything you do for this channel and for Rush Athletics. So I'll see you in the next tutorial. Comment down below for a chance to win a signed rope by moi. Without further ado, guys, take care of yourself. Skip the treadmill. Stay safe. Peace.